Are you losing more hair than ever before? Finding clumps in your shower drain? Before you spend hundreds on expensive treatments, I'm going to show you 4 natural remedies that can actually regrow your hair, and the science backs them up. I'm your name from healthmorph, and today we're diving deep into solutions that work. Here's what's happening to millions of Americans right now. Normal hair loss is about 50 to 100 strands per day, but stress, poor diet, pollution, and our modern lifestyle have pushed that number way higher for so many of us. Whether you're dealing with postpartum hair loss, stress-related thinning, or just noticing your hairline isn't what it used to be, this affects your confidence, your self-esteem, and honestly, it's emotionally exhausting. But here's the good news. Your hair wants to grow. Sometimes it just needs the right environment and the right nutrients. And today I'm sharing 4 natural remedies that address the root causes of hair loss, not just the symptoms. These aren't just old wives' tales. There's real science behind each of these, and I'll show you exactly how to use them. Plus, stick around until the end because I'm sharing my secret hair growth routine that combines all of these for maximum results. Understanding hair loss. Before we jump into solutions, let's quickly understand what's actually happening when you lose hair. Your hair goes through 3 phases. First, the anagen phase. This is active growth, lasting 2 to 7 years. Then catagen, a short transition phase of 2 to 3 weeks. Finally, telogen, the resting phase where hair falls out to make room for new growth. The problem happens when stress, nutritional deficiencies, hormonal imbalances, or environmental factors push too many hairs into that resting phase too early. Your follicles basically go dormant. Quick myth buster: cutting your hair doesn't make it grow faster. That's growth from the root, not the tips. Daily washing won't cause hair loss either. A clean scalp is actually essential for growth. The key is creating the right environment for those follicles to wake up and start producing strong, healthy hair again. And that's exactly what these 4 remedies do. Remedy number 1, aloe vera. This isn't just for sunburns, people. Aloe contains over 75 active compounds, including proteolytic enzymes that literally digest dead skin cells, clogging your hair follicles. Think of it as a deep clean for your scalp. Plus, it balances your scalp's pH and provides anti-inflammatory benefits that create the perfect environment for new hair growth. Here's how to use it. Cut open a fresh aloe leaf, extract that clear gel, and massage it into your scalp using circular motions. Cover with a shower cap and leave it overnight for maximum penetration. Pro tip: mix it with coconut oil for even better results. The coconut oil adds moisturizing properties and lauric acid, which has antimicrobial benefits. Use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week. You'll notice scalp improvements within days, but hair growth results typically show up after 6 to 8 weeks of consistent use. Always patch test first. Remedy number 2 might surprise you: onion juice. I know, it sounds weird, but a study in the Journal of Dermatology found that people using onion juice had significantly more hair growth than those using plain water. Here's why it works. Onions are packed with sulfur compounds that boost collagen production and provide the building blocks for keratin, the protein that makes up your hair. It's like giving your follicles high-quality construction materials. Plus, it improves blood circulation to your scalp to ensure your follicles get optimal oxygen and nutrients. The antibacterial properties also help fight scalp infections that can contribute to hair loss. Here's how to make it smell-free. Blend 2 to 3 onions, strain the juice, then add 5 to 6 drops of rosemary essential oil. This masks the smell and adds circulation-boosting benefits. Apply with a cotton ball, massage for 5 minutes, leave for 30 to 45 minutes, then wash with mild shampoo. The smell completely disappears after washing. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Most people notice less hair shedding within 2 to 3 weeks, with visible new growth after 6 to 8 weeks. Remedy 3, fenugreek seeds, also called methi. These little golden powerhouses have been used for hair care for thousands of years across different cultures. They're loaded with high-quality proteins, and remember, your hair is 80% protein. They also contain nicotinic acid, which improves blood circulation, and lecithin, which adds natural shine and strength. What's amazing is that fenugreek provides these amino acids directly to your scalp, bypassing any digestive issues that might prevent these nutrients from reaching your hair through diet alone. Preparation does take some planning. Soak a quarter cup of fenugreek seeds overnight. The next morning, grind them with a little soaking water to make a smooth paste. For extra power, mix with 2 spoons of plain yogurt. This adds probiotics that help balance scalp pH and additional proteins for hair strength. Apply from roots to tips, focusing on thinning areas. Cover with a shower cap for 45 minutes to an hour. It might feel tight as it dries. That's normal. It means nutrients are being absorbed. Rinse with cool water first to remove the mask, then shampoo gently. Use weekly for best results.
Remedy 4, green tea rinse. Our final remedy, green tea. This antioxidant powerhouse contains catechins, especially EGCG, which research shows can stimulate hair follicles and extend the growth phase of your hair cycle. Here's the really cool part. Green tea naturally inhibits the enzyme that converts testosterone to DHT. That's the hormone primarily responsible for hair loss in both men and women. The caffeine provides an extra boost by improving blood circulation directly to your scalp. Studies show that topical caffeine can even wake up dormant follicles. This one's super easy. Brew 2 to 3 green tea bags in 2 cups of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool completely. After your normal shampoo and conditioner, pour this slowly over your scalp, massaging it in. Here's the key: don't rinse it out. Leave it as a treatment. It adds subtle shine and the tinting effect is minimal on most hair colors. Bonus tip: make a scalp spray with 1 cup of strong green tea and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Use this daily between washes for daily growth stimulation. Use the rinse 2 to 3 times weekly and the spray daily on clean, damp hair. You'll see less shedding within 3 to 4 weeks with thickness improvements after 2 to 3 months. Bonus tips and lifestyle. Now, here are my bonus tips to supercharge these results. First, nutrition matters. Your follicles need protein, iron, vitamin C, D, and zinc. Think eggs, spinach, citrus fruits, nuts, and lean meats. Daily scalp massage is a game changer. Just 5 to 10 minutes with your fingertips using circular motions can boost hair growth by up to 69% according to studies. Add a few drops of rosemary oil for extra benefits. Minimize heat styling and harsh chemicals. Your natural remedies work hard to repair damage. Don't undo their work. When you must use heat, always use a protectant and the lowest effective temperature. Stay hydrated. 8 to 10 glasses daily keeps your scalp healthy from the inside. And manage stress through exercise, meditation, or hobbies. Chronic stress pushes follicles into that resting phase we talked about. Here's my challenge for you. Pick one of these remedies that resonates with you most and commit to trying it consistently for 8 weeks. Take progress photos and track your results. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to healthmorph for more natural health solutions. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos on nutrition for hair growth and DIY hair masks. Drop a comment below and let me know which remedy you're most excited to try. And if you've used any of these before, share your results. Our community loves hearing success stories. Remember, consistency plus patience equals results. Your hair deserves natural, gentle care, and these remedies can truly transform your hair health. I'll see you in the next HealthMorph